Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Friday. Doing a couple packs. I'm gonna go to bed because I'm tired. Bros, hope you have a safe time in New Orleans. Justin, hope Disneyland's going well. Mark, Christian, Toby, Chris, hope everyone's having a good evening. Oh my goodness, sorry for the yawns. Peter Pan Shadow. Ooh, Benja, I like that one. Minnie Mouse. Grumpy. That was me at work. Yob. Ooh, World's Greatest Criminal Mind. Nice. Cinderella. That's a good one. And Dragon Gem. It's a pretty cool foil. Very like Games of Thrones-y. Okay, one more. I think I only have like 3 packs left of this box. I'm gonna have to get another one. Happy. This is me that it's the weekend now. Oh no. Inga came in. Okay, I gotta go.